Hello, my friends. Sandeep here, founder and MD of Econstruct Design and Build Private Limited. In this particular video, I am going to tell you about the e-learning ecosystem that the Econstruct has established. Due to this pandemic situation, many people are there at home. Even the entire our staff is working from home, 100%. So it is very important that how basically we should be working from home. We should be giving our efficiency, our time, our efforts, everything through the online, uh, and safeguard ourselves. So this video is entirely for that. At the same time, I just wanted to tell you through the online process how you can upgrade yourself, how you can learn yourself. Many people are having that fear basically in their mind that through the online process, how I can learn myself, how I can upgrade myself, how I can, able to understand many things, structural engineering, project management, BIM technology. These are very, very big parts, and the syllabus also is very big. There are softwares, there are codes, there are engineering principles, there are projects, um, there are deliverables, there are drawings, contracts, tenders. My God. So the list goes endlessly. So it becomes very difficult that can I learn through online? Is it really possible? So I just wanted to give you that glimpse, and I wanted to give you the assurance that how it is possible to learn certain things through the online process. Let's use this pandemic situation as a blessing, not as a curse to your life, right? To start with this, I just wanted to show you the first dashboard that you people will be having. Let's say this is the admin dashboard. This is not the student dashboard. We will be getting the similar dashboard actually for you. So each student actually, this is basically the count that how many projects that the students have filled up. Now this is the live dashboard I wanted to tell you. Some people have recently joined, so they have not submitted those many projects. But every person has submitted how many projects they have submitted. Let's say this probably these are live dashboard. These are not fake names, which I'm trying to tell you. So these students actually have submitted these many projects to us. I'll show you what kind of projects that they have submitted to us a little later on. But this is actually we'll get to know this. So we can deal with this kind of students that who are not able to submit the projects within the time, or what kind of problems that these students are facing. All right. So this is one thing. The another thing is this is the BIM and project management chart. So how many projects that they have finished. Okay, this is basically for the structures and all. Now this is attendance sheets. Attendance sheets means what actually? It is basically that how many number of days that basically you are not. It's not present. See, present and absent. Everybody is working from home. Everybody is learning from home. So everybody is present ideally, and at the same time everybody is absent because they are not there at the office, right? But are you attentive to the course? Basically, are you attentive for learning certain things? Okay, it is just 15 seconds or maybe 30 seconds that everybody takes the time to fill up the form as a daily progress report, and this kind of dashboards are getting generated, right? If you click it here, that you'll get a lot of information that what all the things that they have submitted and all actually. So all this actually will be there. Along with that, there are so many application status and other things are also there. uh, uh, um, Before going to that extent, actually, I'd like to show you that how you will be getting this kind of emails every day, what you are submitting. Now, I just wanted to show you certain files. Just download this file. Okay, this is the daily progress report that you'll be having. I'll just open up this particular file for you. Now I think he has recently joined. You can just see the date of the joining course. This is 25th of November. That's today. Right. So what's the agenda? What the things are there and all? Are you happy with yourself, or are you happy with the company that you are recruiting, that you are enrolling? And any suggestions for yourself to improve, and any suggestions for company to improve. That this is basically the feedback form for us also as a company, that because you are working or you are studying from home, actually, are you what kind of complications or problems that you are getting it. So this is not just one form. Every day you will be getting 365 days. Okay. Just Saturday and Sunday we are making it off because a lot of stress. I don't want to give it for the students. All right. So this is another Ashrita, some person. Actually, I'll just copy this. Even I've not seen this, to be very honest. Just open it. So she's the girl, and you can see that what kind of things that she's working. I mean, she has recently taken the admission, sadly few days back, right? So every day you will see that if certain people are not filling the forms also, they will be marked as an absent. So dear Mr. This is how actually you have marked absent. Why? Because you are not filled up the form, right? So absent means what? You are not attentive to submit certain small records actually. So I'd like to tell you that you might have seen our cash quadrant basically. Okay, KASH, which is knowledge. Uh, uh, then you will have the attitude. Uh, S is for skilling, and H is for the habit. So various areas are there actually. Once you know the knowledge, then you go for skilling, then you go for the the habit quadrant, and then you go for the attitude quadrant. So we just wanted our guys to fill up those forms and all actually, and that's how actually they will be getting the habit of working in the MNC companies, because every day they need to submit their daily progress reports, right? So this is how the reports, everybody, I mean, they will be getting that thing in the mailboxes also. Okay, so this is how you will be getting, and along with that you will be getting a dashboard over here, right? So dashboard, you will have the calendars, you will have the drives here, you will have a chat, you can call, you can talk to us. Yeah, so this is how actually certain problems that you guys are facing, what kind of problems that you guys are facing, our guys will continuously monitoring and giving you the suggestions, and what kind of things that you will be, you can have the many facilities through this particular dialog box. So see, this Mr. Joseph, actually, his person actually is 65 years old person almost. Yeah, so such kind of persons are also, I mean, I salute to that person, to be very honest, because I don't know at my age of 65, if I go to 65 age of my life, I would be able to go to certain courses and do the courses like this kind of vigor course. I doubt. I don't know, to be very honest. So to be, I mean, it's really remarkable that 65 years old persons are also learning through this kind of courses. One more thing is, apart from this, you can have the mailboxes and other things, as well as chat boxes, and also you can have share the files, and those kind of things are there. Along with this, we have actually our digital library over here. See, here you can see that there is a digital library. So we have shared this library to all our students. All the books and databases are there. The books, very versatile number of books are available in various categories. They can go through that offshore, ductile detailing, balls, and many other places they can have that data. These are reference books. See, nonlinear analysis, soil structure interactions, many places you will see that various different types of books. So you don't need to basically go and wander various areas, Googling, YouTubing, and all actually. So a lot of valuable data will be available with you. All the codes, important codes are there, international codes, Hong Kong codes, BS codes, CBFIP, Indian codes, American codes, Euro codes. Many things would be available for you for your references to upgrade yourself. All right. So this is how actually you'll be having this library for you. Right. A few more things I wanted to tell you, that how basically what kind of deliverables that we'll be getting. Now, let's say, for example, this is one of the student called Aniket Podar. Actually, he has submitted certain files to us for submitting. There is an exam which is going on. Okay, so he has submitted certain files. He is not the final, I mean, it's not a final exam for him. This is the prelim exam for him, right? So whenever any student submits certain things, actually, how do we check it? How do we, map it? How do we progress, check the things actually? So this is how we check it. If certain things are going wrong or certain things are excellent, we make sure that those are given properly. Or here certain suggestions will be there at certain areas. What are the things are there right or wrong, or what better way, that what is the better way that he can improve in upgrading and giving this kind of reports. So this is basically the detailing is missing, certain things are not correct, so please do that. So all these things actually will be mentioning in the report, so that once this is a part of their portfolio, to be very honest, this is a part of their two-page CV, and followed by this kind of portfolios will be there. So nobody will call you as a fresher, to be very honest. It's not one project, that so many projects are there. Okay, these are some residential buildings and all. So commercial buildings also will be there. High-rise towers also will be there. Also, infrastructure projects also will be there, like underground water tanks, overhead water tank, as well as cement design and the steel structures and all. So a very complex kind of structural engineering, or as a project management thing. Actually, we tried our level best to make sure that we'll be having world-class experience. And I'm sure that after going through this kind of projects and portfolios about yourself, we would call you, we dare to call you freshers. All right. Fresher means what? You do not have any live project solving experience. You are fresher. So after 4 years of your BTech, or another 2 years of MTech, are you still fresher? Come on, for 6 years. Okay. So please make sure that use this luxury of time, not for watching Netflix or Amazon Prime videos or something, or YouTube videos or something. Please make sure that you use this particular pandemic period to upgrade yourself, so that whenever the industry is ready, you are you will see the life is ready. The first photograph which I've shown you, almost more than 50 to 60 percentage people have already got placed, having 2-3 job offers with them, right? Core technical. Okay. And I'm sure that whatever the remaining people, I mean, I'm not sure exactly how many people are. I'm also seeking certain people in our own company. Today morning only, a couple of guys have taken the interviews for VM technology and project management, right? So please make sure that do not waste this time. Use this time, valuable time, for upgrading yourself. How to upgrade, how basically you are going to go to the core technical placements and all. I would like to show you that in our company. Okay. So let's say, for example, over here, if you go, let's say this is the composite course. These are the advantages that you will be getting. Flexibility is there. Anytime you can work. Maybe night 2 o'clock you can start working, or maybe morning 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock you can start working. Cost reduction will be there, because you don't need to come here, travel, food, outside food, or maybe the accommodations and all. Interactive facilities will be there with us, like as I told you, that you will be having the one-to-one sessions weekly. Once we'll have you'll have the facility to have one-to-one sessions with our people. Okay, retention and recall advantage. So if certain things you're not getting, actually you can go through those kind of videos and those kind of notes repeatedly, so there is no issue. Self-starter attitude. So you will have the basically the attitude, you will generate it from yourself, that okay, I need to start from today, I need to start from this moment. Okay. You will have the advanced tracking systems, you will have you can upgrade silently even if you're working somewhere. This is the best time, to be very honest, to upgrade yourself silently, right? You'll those people who are seeking for the experience, 1 or 2 years experience, you will be getting 1 year experience for the structures, 1 year experience for the project management, or for doing the composite course. There are 2 years experience later with from us. Plus online regular reviews or meetings will be there. Soft skill upgradation also will be there. How to write a CV, how to have the interview rounds, mock interview, code reading, technical code reading, project presentations, group discussions, many things actually will have the situational advantage. I'm sure that you will be understanding this corona situation is it's a traumatic situation, from peon to the PM, prime minister. Actually everybody is suffering, so you should not be suffered. If you take the, this is not a time. 1 year will be completely deleted from your life. Otherwise, believe me, specifically the second year, third year, fourth year engineering guys, immediately you should start upgrading yourself. Those who are pass out, you are on the hot seat. Believe me, the burner is there. Okay, so please make sure that you do not waste this time. You upgrade yourself in such a way that you will be rocking later on. What all the things are there in this particular case? What all the softwares that you will be learning? Mechanical, electrical, plumbing, MEP things you will be learning. You'll be learning the structural areas. You'll be learning project management. You'll be learning the BIM technology part, right? So what kind of projects that you are dealing, you'll be working upon. So this kind of projects that you will be working upon it. These are the people who have got placed. Where are these people have got placed? These are the companies that they have got placed. There are certain videos are there. You can, I'm sure that in the YouTube channel also you can. So many international students also they have come to us. You can see certain glimpse of the workshops that we conduct, and we do the online live sessions. Believe me, this idea of online learning is fantastic, to be very honest, because I can also spare a lot of time with you guys. If we are having continuous office, there will be project meetings, coordination meetings, physically going there and coming to the travel time and all. Actually, it's a big mess. Online is, through the technology, let's say 20 years back, if this situation was there, then the situation would have been different. Currently, through the technology, you know the world has come very closer to take that benefit and advantage. So these are the certain glimpse about that, how you are going to learn, or how you are going to work actually. All right, so these are certain downloaded PDF files are there. Just go through that, and these are the course content. Actually, magnificent course contents are there. The softwares, it has basic, it has advanced, safe, SAP 2000, CS Average, Procon, RCDC, Strada Pro, AutoCAD, many softwares that you will learn. Apart from this, the softwares which I have not written here, I'd like to tell you that we have already added. Okay, I'm not saying that I'll be teaching you that. It's something that we have already added in the last batch also. InfraWorks is the software, and Civil 3D is the software. These two softwares are basically, we have identified certain things that InfraWorks, basically the roads, tunnels, highway, bridges, all this InfraWorks, the chimneys and all, actually, all this InfraWorks project management is mandatory. You cannot, national highway or something, such big projects are there, wherein project management is playing a vital important role. So we have identified those areas, and we added those softwares also in the curriculum. All right, that will be updated in the website soon. So this, whatever the what all the other conceptual area, fundamental principles of the structure, these are basically the structural engineering principles that we'll be getting. These are basically the corporate work experience that we'll be getting: infrastructure project, industrial projects, residential project, commercial projects, many other things, composite, steel, flat slab and all. Anyway, we are doing it. Right, there are certain challenges that we are meeting. Do you want to see the challenges currently also? I'm not sure I should be showing you this, but I wanted to tell you that we give certain challenges, and people, they do it and they work on it. Like, let's say, for example, there is a written test, technical exams and all. Actually, I wanted to show you certain exams. I'm not sure that those are still there. Oh my God. So these are the rooms, different rooms are there where people are working for their test. Right? So I just scroll it down because there are so many people are there. Okay, so let's say I'll go to one of the person's room. Should not be doing such kind of sneezy activities, but I just wanted to give you the real-time experience. This person is writing the exam. Okay, he's working on certain projects which we have given it to them. Right? There's another person. Right, I'm just going. I don't know actually who is doing what, to be very honest. There are some monitors are there actually that they will be working on them. So look at this. So all these people are working. They're working on the live project examination, right? So please understand that things are changing. I should not be going too much into there because they are writing the exams, online exams, we call what we call it as. So these kind of things are there, right? Please make sure that you know you will be part of this. Otherwise, it will be very difficult for you to upgrade later on. Okay, certain people they are asking certain demo classes or something. Actually, please make sure they know our YouTube channel. Like many videos are given, many videos are given. But what are the tools that you will be using? And much of the information is there over here. You can also see the live project things which you know people have worked with us. All right. So this is how actually the content and the live experience that you will be having, and finally you will be working on the live project as well as you will be working on the MNC companies. That is basically our motive, right? So please make sure that you will be a part of the company which is giving that kind of real time experience. How people are getting three job offers during the pandemic, right? This is the key. Basically the key is you are having that live experience, and I'll tell you very honestly, we sit on your head and you know we make sure that you are actually possessing that kind of experience, right? This is how we work. Okay, we sometimes we give you the freedom, sometimes we pressurize you, sometimes we sit on your head and we get the things done. That's how it works in the industry also, right? This is what actually we have been training since last so many years. I'm sure that you know you also will enjoy this kind of working experience. I'm sure that you know you also will be a part of our team. Hope you liked the video. If you really liked it, give us a thumbs up. If you really loved it, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Bye.